How to disable mentions on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to disable mentions on Instagram Lite. First, then open Instagram, and here you will find your profile. Click on it and then click the storylines in the top corner, and then click settings, and here you will find privacy, and then click this one, mentions, and as you see here you will find no one, and just select it, and that's it. Now you have disabled mentions from everyone, and that's it. That's how to disable it. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.